Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a LinkedIn banner in a Snappa. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to snappa.com. Start by logging into your account if you do not have your account yet. Choose the right template size from the templates here. LinkedIn banner have a specific dimension which is of 1584 into 396 pixels. It is named as LinkedIn background here. In Snappa, you can either use a pre-made LinkedIn banner template or create a custom size design. To create a custom design, you can create a custom size in the top right corner and set the dimension of 1584 into 396. I'm just going to use a template from here. You can choose the background color, upload an image or select from Snappa stock library. If you want to use an image, click on the background tab or search the relevant image and drag the image into your canvas. You can simply click on it and the image will appear on your canvas. Use the text tool to add a name, job title or other information you want to feature. If you want to add logos, icons or other graphic to your banner, go to the graphic tab and search for relevant icons. Click on it and resize them as needed. Position the text and graphic carefully to make sure they are well aligned. Ensure that important elements are not obscured by the profile picture area in LinkedIn. Once you have added all the necessary elements, preview your banner to ensure it looks professional and is optimized for display. By following these steps, you can create a custom LinkedIn banner in Snappa that reflects your personal or professional brand. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.